Alright, let's jump in. We're going to be merging Venom with Wednesday from, Wednesday Addams. Alright, let's do it. So, first thing I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to draw the top of Wednesday's head, okay? We're going to go over I'm going to describe what parts I'm merging. So I'm going to go over here and curve for the top of Wednesday's head. Down right here. Curve over here where the hair parts. Down over here. Line over here, up. Line over here, up. Line over here, up. Line over here, up. Right? It's gonna go up directionally to the top of the head because she's got this kind of like bowl. It looks like kind of like a bowl cut, right? Without the what do you call it? The pigtails. Forgive me. Line over here. I don't know. I'm a little tired right now. Sorry, I haven't been getting the best sleep. Right there. Cool. Line over here. Over here. And we're just kind of doing these like randomly, right? It's not they're evenly spaced. We're just going left here and flicking upward. Line up, line up. Alright, so now we got that top of the head part. I'm gonna go over here for the eyes. Into the Venom eyes. Curve up. Line over here. Curve up. I'm gonna pull a line back here, kind of for the back of the head. Like some more additional hair over here in the back. And now I'm going to go over here, the front of the face, out. Drawing that smile portion. Right there. Cool, cool. If you like these mixtures, let me know more mixtures, okay? Also, what I want you to do is I want you to give me the name of, what would this be, Wednesday Venom? I don't really know. Just what would be the name of this character, Wednesday Venom? Right here, just pulling the lines down here for the teeth, because Wednesday has big teeth. Alright, on. I'm going to pull a line over here for the mouth opening up. Curve underneath. Up. Line over here, line over here. For the bottom teeth. Line over here. Line over here. Line. Over here underneath. I'm just gonna fill in this. It's gonna be the dark portion of the tongue right there. Let's go to the back. Same thing. Back of the mouth gives it a little bit more of a 3D look. So far, it still looks like it's one of the Beatles or something, but don't worry, we'll get to it. So what we're gonna do now is go to the back of the jaw area, down, curve underneath, for underneath the mouth here. Alright. Line down here for the neck. She's wearing there's also a Wednesday thing, kind of a button-up shirt for like the school uniform that she wears. See right here. Alright. And then she's gonna have like a tie that they wear. Tie right here. Down, down. And there's gonna be a little bit of we're gonna fill that in. Leave a line over here, but just kind of fill that in. Out, down, out, down over here for the outfit. Curve, curve. And if you really want, you can kind of like draw a line at the edge of this stuff and then fill in that whole outfit. But we'll fill in some of it. Like right there. I can just fill in a little bit, but leaving a line, because you want to leave a line at least between two dark objects so you can tell what it is. Otherwise you won't be able to tell, right? You fill in everything. By the way, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the like. If you want to learn how to draw anything and everything, go to sketchingeasy.com. Right on. Okie doke. Now I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw the pigtails, because right now it just looks like it's a bowl cut. So right now the pigtails, let's have one over here. If you want, you can do one side to kind of control, you know, where that's going. Line over here. Same thing, pigtail in the back. Right there, right? It's kind of coming this direction. And then that pier drop at the very, very end. I still think we could fill in some more stuff here. Maybe you can fill in a little bit here of the hair. You don't want to fill in too much because, see, you can throw it in a, you can throw some directional lines here with the hair, just a direction, because it's coming from, as long as it's going one direction, right? It's growing from one direction, it could be fine. Line over here. Like on the inside as well, we're just adding these dark blocks on the inside to give it an impression that it's entirely dark. And that's kind of what you want to do, right? You want to give the impression that it's entirely dark. Right on. There we go. Maybe give it a little bit of a darker, I'm going to throw a few more lines right here, giving it more of a darker shape. Because right now it looks a little too stringy, but give it a little bit of a darker shape right here. Again, staying in the same direction, right? It's all growing the same direction. Oh my gosh, this looks so weird. This looks so crazy. But yeah, anyways, there you go. That is Wednesday. Wednesday mixed with Venom. Yeah, that's a very fascinating little tale. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing for watching. I forgot this right here, one at the end. And I want to thank you very, very much, okay? I'll talk to you later, and I will see you soon. Say hi to me in the comments section, and I will talk to you. Say hi on any video, and I will respond. Literally, go do it right now.